Transformer VA ratings. What does it mean? Transformers are rated in volts amps. This value is arrived at by multiplying the amp draw of a circuit by the applied voltage. This is the power rating for a transformer. By using Ohm's law, we can determine the total amp draw a transformer can handle. In this example, our transformer has a rating of 75 VA. When we divide 75 by the applied voltage of 24 volts, we find this transformer will be able to handle a 3.1 amp load. In some HVAC applications, you may have a transformer on the indoor air handler or furnace and another transformer on the outdoor unit. In these applications, the transformer should be phased correctly so you do not burn out a transformer or other electronics. To determine if two transformers are phased correctly, take a voltmeter and read two leads on the output voltage. If you read high voltage, the transformers are not phased correctly. Swap the connected power leads and then you should read 0 voltage and the transformers will be phased correctly.
Go to arefco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.